Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Samantha. This is the Budget Mum UK, and on this channel we do all things to do with budgeting, financing, saving money, but still living a really good life without having to spend too much. If you're new to this channel, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button, and then why not hit that thumbs up like icon. And of course it is the favourite price of all, which is free, so it costs you nothing to do it. And if you're already subscribed, then thank you, because you're amazing and you've been really supportive lately, and it's just made such a difference, so thank you, seriously. So I really do appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be having a look at my new numbers. I've had those tricky couple of weeks where I had no money in my account to pay me. The check's cleared, but I've been backwards and forwards, to be honest, on how much I can afford to pay myself. And it's like, I don't want to get myself into a position where there's no money left again to be able to pay me because of whatever external situations have gone on. But at the same time, I work really hard and I deserve a wage, and that's what I need to be able to pay off my debt, you know? So I've had a think about it and had a look at all different angles. So hopefully you'll agree with how much I've sort of come up with as my own wage, if that makes sense. Let's take a look at the week coming up and seeing where I'm going to put my money so that I am ready, I am prepared, and I can cash it up. So just like always, I'm going to have a look over my week coming up so I know where to prioritise my money. And I can see it's quite quiet because obviously I've got work over here. And then the weekend, I'm not really sure what I fancy doing, to be honest. I've promised Alexander I'd take him to see a castle at some point. And I know at Clitheroe they've got a castle, because I used to live there. And they've also got like a Thomas the Tank Engine type theme. They change the theme every month. It's been a while since I've been, and I've never taken Alexander, so possibly I might go there. I'll have a look how much that is. So I'll keep some money to one side for my, like, a day out or something, or I might put it into Alexander's envelope. Holly is at drama on the Saturday, I think, and I'm quite sure she won't want to come and look for Thomas the Tank Engine in a castle. So I think she's going to go to her friends on the Sunday. And then Holly's at drama all week, so I need 20 for that, because it's those 4 days which are paying for. Friend's birthday, I have managed to find a present. I used my Asda gift card to buy it, because in my Asda they've got an accessorised, and they had all the Christmas accessorised items on sale. So I've got a really nice handbag for a very nice price as well, but it feels like it's like a £30-40 handbag, but you know, it's not as much money, and I was able to use my gift card to do that, so I'm happy with that. I might see if she's about to go for a lunch during the afternoon, because I think she's recently started to go back to university, and I'm sure it's a half day there, so I'll have a look at that one and see where money sits. And yeah, that's going to take us up to Thursday for that, but I'll just keep it in mind. And then on the Friday I've got a spa day, which my brother's paid for, and that includes food as well. So that's, I'm going to go in about 1 o'clock, I think. I need to double check the time. Going in the afternoon for that. And yeah, it's going to be a nice indulgence without having to spend money again. What I love to do. So thinking about my 2 envelopes here and here, and actually birthday card. I went to buy one the other day and then remembered I bought one last year and didn't actually give it to her, so it's still in the cupboard, so I'm going to reuse that as well. So that's a bit of a bargain for that one. So let's have a look at what money I've decided to stuff. So as I already mentioned, I was quite happy with being able to work on that budget that I had to drop myself down to, which was the £1,300. However, you know, realistically, I think I can work with 1,500. So what I'm going to change that to is 1,500 for the month. I mean, this is my wage, and I work a lot of hours personally in terms of everything that I do. So I've got to make it realistic as well. I don't want to be working for nothing. And this is going to be 1, 6, 4, 5. There. So I'm going to work that out over a period of the next few weeks. I'm going to divide it by 4 because I'm going to work on this for at least the next 4 weeks because that's where I'm at. And then I'll sort of see how much I'm working with, see whether it's working for me, see whether I do need to tweak it, whether I can bring it down a little bit, or I can keep that, you know, money in the business account, but it's there for a reason. You know, I'm just going to see if it works, essentially, for me. And then, yeah, we're going to go from there. So let's see what that works out over the next 4 weeks of what that looks like. And this one being week 7 of the year. So I need to use this amount first of all, and then subtract my total bills. So that's 1,645, taking away 1,110.25, which is 534.75. And then I'm going to divide this by 4, which is 133.6. So last week I was working with £85 for the last couple of weeks, so that's a massive boost. So I'm going to actually round that down to 130. We'll call it 130. And I do that, you know, sometimes I'll round it up, sometimes I'll round it down. It sort of works itself out as we go. And then it's just a nice amount that I can start to do, because I want to build back up my stock of my freezer. I want to build back up my stock cupboard with my tins and things, because I've really been using those. So we've got 130. Let's grab that. So this is this one. Just put this to one side. And I've got 20, 40, 60, 80 and 20s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that's 130 to cash stuff. Now I'm going to choose where my money's going to go. I like to do this in advance. So let me just have a quick look at what I've already got in here. So I've got enough. Oh, I've got 10 eaten out. I think Holly's envelope is bare now. It's got 10. Alex has got a bit. So we've got enough for the castle, so that's okay. Petrol, not had to spend that yet. Time for me is on 10. Beauty, and the groceries is a bit empty. A bit empty there. So let's do. I'm just trying to think what I feel like I've missed out on for the last few weeks. So groceries definitely needs a bit of a chunk going in there. Children, right, let's do 10 in each of theirs. Eating out, let's do 20 in case I take my friend for a meal. They've got a set menu on at a local restaurant which we like for lunch, so I could do that for her birthday. Beauty, do 10 going in. Petrol seemed to be quite healthy then, didn't it? Let me just check that. $40. I'll put another 10 in there, that'll take me to 50. That should be enough for a tank, if I need that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 20 in there. 70, 80. Let's do 40 in there. That's 120. And then just sending 10 over to debt, because it's fine with the debt thing, because I know I'm about to do a big video and it's going to be sorted. It's going to be sorted, so that's, just we'll check that. 60, 70, 80, 91, 120. 10 left over, which can go towards this. So just put in budget for now. And let's do that cash stuff. So eating out is getting 20. Holly is getting 10. Alexander's getting 10. Petrol's getting 10. Time for me is getting 20. And beauty is getting 10 as well. groceries, it's getting 40 even, and then this 10 going towards debt. And that is it. So let me know in the comment section if you think I should have paid myself less or more, or if it was just right, or whatever you think it is. I really would appreciate your advice as always, because I do get some fantastic advice from you. You always come up with some good ideas that really help me. Have yourself an amazing day, and I will see you really, really soon. Bye.